No thing. Once there was a rich man. He gave up all the riches and became a holy man. Soon he had many followers. With the passage of time, he attained great powers. One day, the holy man was on the verge of dying. One of his followers asked him, "Sir, what has been your greatest achievement in this life?" The holy man, due to the shortness of breath, uttered only two words, "Nothing," and passed away. But his followers were disappointed. They thought that their master had achieved nothing in life. A great sage was passing by and heard them discussing this. This sage was very knowledgeable. He said to the disciples, "By saying nothing, your teacher meant that he could see beyond the ordinary things of life. In this way, the great sage explained the brilliant accomplishments of the holy man." The merchants and the demons. Two merchants were friends. Both were going to sell their goods. They decided to travel one after the other. The first merchant set off with his servants. On the way, they came to a place which was haunted by demons. As soon as the merchant camped there, the demons came disguised as men. They became friends with the merchant and joined his caravan. The merchant did not realize that they were demons. In the night, when the merchant and his men were sleeping, the demons ate them. Only their bones were left. Later, the second merchant began his journey. He reached the same place where the demons lived. He found the carts, human and animal bones, and recognized that they belonged to the former caravan. The wise merchant put people on guard around the camp during the night. This time, the demons could not eat the people. The merchant finished his journey successfully. The prince and the demon. A prince was very virtuous. Once, while he was walking in his garden, a demon attacked and abducted the prince. Though captured, the prince was not afraid of the demon. The demon was surprised to see this. He asked the prince, "Are you not afraid of me?" The prince replied, "No, I am ready for death." The demon was very impressed by the prince. He said to the prince, "Ask me for a boon, for I am pleased with you." The prince replied, "What can you grant me? You yourself are bound by passion and evil deeds. So how can you favor me?" The demon was moved by the prince's words. He felt ashamed of himself. He vowed to lead a good life. He freed all his prisoners and the prince. From then onwards, The demon became a follower of the prince. The kind minister. A king had a wise minister who understood the language of animals. One day, while walking on the beach, he saw a big fish with his pretty wife. The male fish was so enchanted by his wife that he did not see some fishermen casting a net on him. Alas, he was caught. The minister heard what the male fish was saying. He was saying, my wife, I must be with my wife. I care for her much more than for my life." The minister felt sorry for the fish. He went to the fisherman and said, "Can I buy a fish from you?" One fisherman replied, "Sir, please accept a fish from us as a gift instead." The minister chose the big male fish and released it in the sea. The fish thanked the minister for his kindness.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.